In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images for mobile in Squarespace. Squarespace CSS tutorial. By the end, your images will look clean, load quickly, and fit beautifully on smaller screens without awkward cropping. Start by opening your Squarespace site and navigating to the page you want to edit. Enter Edit mode, then hover where you want the image to appear, and select Add Block. From the block options, choose Image. Upload a new image or pick one from your library. Once the image appears on the page, click directly on it to open the image editor. If you see a highlight or blue outline, that means the editor is active. Inside the editor, first switch to the Content tab. This is where you can confirm the correct image is selected and add a clear file name and alt text. Alt text helps with accessibility and SEO, and it's especially important when images display differently on mobile. Next, move to the Design tab. Here's where the mobile magic happens. Set the image to fill if you want it to cover its container edge to edge on small screens. Fill is ideal for banners and section images because it maintains a strong visual presence, but keep in mind it may crop the edges. If preserving the entire image is critical, choose Fit instead, knowing it might add padding on mobile. For most layouts that need a bold, seamless look, Fill is the right call. In the same design area, open the Shape settings. Pick a shape or aspect ratio that matches your layout and keeps your subject visible on phones. Squares are great for grids and galleries, while a 3:2 or original ratio often works best for hero images. Choose the one that complements your design, then go back to the main design options. Now enable Stretch. Stretch allows the image to expand to the full available width, which prevents narrow columns from making your image look tiny on mobile. This small toggle often makes a big difference in perceived quality and layout consistency. When everything looks good, click Save to publish your changes. A few helpful tips as you work. Upload a high-quality image so it stays crisp on